to the Booze by Rob production facility, you know, here, Nashville, Tennessee. Got a drink, got off a website. The website is called punchdrink.com. Really good website for finding weird cocktails you never might have tried before, or if you've got an ingredient and you want to see how to use it in maybe a different way. So the cocktail we have tonight is called the Ce Soir, or in French, this evening. It was made by Nicole Lebdovich in the Hawthorne bar in Boston. Got a lot of really good reviews and came out to be in like 2015, 17, somewhere around that area. It's a brandy cocktail, which is one we really haven't used that much of, and okay, shame on me, we should have. But let's start building it up. It's a simple cocktail to make and very, very tasty. So into our mixing glass that has ice in it already, we're going to use a couple dashes of Angostura bitters. You know, I love those bitters. And then a couple dashes of Regan's orange bitters. I did 2 dashes to your taste. Now, if something's going to stop you from making this cocktail, it's going to be this guy right here. This is Yellow Chartreuse, made in France by the monks. The monks can't keep up with demand, or they're off praying, or whatever they're doing. They ain't making booze. So this is very, very difficult to find. And as a result of that, it's gotten very expensive if you can find it. So Yellow Chartreuse, we're going to use 1/2 ounce. So it doesn't use very much. So if you're able to find one of these, you know, it lasts a long time. All right. We get to our Italian bitter aperitif. I call it Cynar, Cynar. There's a couple different ways I've heard it said, and I don't know what is the correct way to say it. But we're going to go in with 3/4 of an ounce of this bad boy. Also, it gives it a nice dark color. Lastly, we're going in with a cognac. Could use a brandy. If it's cognac, it's from France. This is one that I picked up. I hadn't tried it before. It's pretty tasty and it was affordable. Cognacs can get really, really pricey, especially if you're going to make them for a mixed cocktail. Maybe find something that's a little more affordable, but we're going to use 2 ounces of it. So that's a pretty brandy forward cocktail. And then in our mixing glass, just going to stir that around a little bit, cool the cocktail down and dilute it a bit, just for a second. Also, you notice the way we're twirling it, so we're going around the back or the outside of the glass with the back of the spoon. That's something that takes a little bit of practice to do, but it helps keep those ice cubes moving through the cocktail. All right, let's start pouring. Hawthorne strainer, you know it. Hey, got new glasses for my birthday. These came from the production staff, so I must have been good. These are Viski. Yes, you know it. And it's kind of a combination of a Nick and Nora with a little flair. It's called their sour glass. And I'll put a link below if I can find one. And pouring in. Pretty simple cocktail to make and actually very tasty. We've had these. And the last thing is we garnish with an expressed lemon peel. So just squirt that guy right on top, get those oils out of the skin. And I toss it to the side. I'm not going to put it in the drink, but the Ce Soir for this evening. Let's try it. It's a complex drink. There's a lot of different flavors going on in there. I really enjoy this. Hey, if you're into these type of ingredients, give it a shot. Cheers, folks. Stay safe and enjoy Ce Soir. Thank you, Nicole. Great cocktail.